Opposition leader Robert Chagulanyi, widely known as Bobi Wine, has publicly expressed his deepest condolences to the families who lost loved ones in a horrific road crash at Bobi Trading Center in Omoro district. In a heartfelt statement, Chagulanyi extended his thoughts to the bereaved families and wished a quick, full recovery to those surviving with severe injuries. Beyond sharing his grief, he used the moment to call for a sweeping overhaul of public safety, emphasizing that citizens owe it to themselves to demand better road infrastructure and consistent, strict maintenance. These recurring tragedies have become too normal. May the souls of the departed rest in eternal peace, Chagulanyi stated. For those who are not yet aware of the tragedy, here is an overview of what transpired. The incident, the fatal head-on collision, occurred on Tuesday night, July 7, 2026 at approximately 9:34 p.m. The crash took place at Kuluhotit within the Bobi sub-county area of Omoro district along the main highway leading to Gulu City. The vehicles involved, the collision involved a green Gisu passenger bus operated by a paid travelers company, registration number UBE 110. Traveling from Kampala, Hanan, according to Mercedes-Benz Hatros or IV cargo trailer, is on KBS 564D. The casualties, the total death toll from the crash has risen to 15 people. Both the bus driver, Abdul Smile 500, trailer driver, Omar Hamad Hussein 38, died immediately at the scene inside. Multiple passengers, at least 24 other survivors, remain admitted to Gulu Regional Referral Hospital and St. Mary's Hospital Acholi with critical injuries. The cause, according to the Uganda Police Force Traffic and Road Safety Department, preliminary findings indicate that the bus driver was traveling at an excessive speed. Eyewitness reports suggest that the driver lost control while suddenly attempting to swerve and avoid an allegedly intoxicated pedestrian crossing the unit road, veering directly into the lane of the trailer. Traffic authorities have strongly urged all highway motorists to strictly observe speed limits, particularly during late night hours when low visibility increase the risk of human error.